At ito na ang kinahihintay ng lahat, ang Miss and Mr. Entrance. Let's go!
Mga ulirang ina.
At ito na ang ating mga Miss and Mr. Entrance contestant. At nandito na nga tayo sa EVR. Excited na ba ang lahat? Yan, let's go! Panoodin na natin sila.
Please come forward. participate. Thank you. Let's give them a loud round of applause.
To be a good example for others and inspire them more. To participate and give their best. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, how can sports and intramurals help develop a stronger sense of community in school? Again, how can sports and intramurals help develop a stronger sense of community in school?
Thank you for the wonderful question. And I think, for my opinion,
How can sports and intramurals help develop a stronger sense of community?
Good morning!
Good morning din po.
Kamusta?
Okay lang naman po.
Oh, huwag ka ba na? Simple lang to. Here's the question. What do you think is the best trait in practicing sports? Again, what do you think is the best trait in practicing sports and why? Ano yung best trait mo?
Ano daw yung trait?
Traits or characteristics in practicing sports.
Thank you po sa tanong niyo. For me po is the best trait yung practicing sport
Sports.
is being competitive po. Being competitive because when you are being competitive and being confident, kayang-kaya mo pong labanan lahat ng kalaban mo and like, if confident ka po, hindi ka po kakabahan and there's more likely chance to win the game.
Okay, thank you. Sabi mo confident pero hindi ka confident. Okay, for the boy. Kabado ba? Chill lang. Okay, here's the question. How would you use your title, may title ka na, as Mr. Intrams to promote sportsmanship and respect among athletes? Ulitin ko ba? Okay, how would you use your title?
and thank you for your answers. Please give them a loud round of applause.
Ayun na, kinakabahan na ako.
For our fourth contestant,
Ay, fourth pa pala.
please come forward. Section Makatao.
Good morning. Okay. Here's my question. Who do you think will win as Miss Intramurals and why? I will repeat. Who do you think will win as Miss Intramurals and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, I would win with Miss Intramural. I can prove to others that Makatao can do more than they think.
For our male candidate, how would you motivate students to participate and give their best in the intramurals event? I will repeat, how would you motivate students to participate and give their best in the intramurals events?
Thank you for your answer. Please give them a loud round of applause.
student Marangal.
Good morning. For question for Miss Marangal. How would you convince the audience and the board of judges that you deserve the title as Miss Intramurals? Again, how would you convince the audience and the board of judges that you deserve the title as Miss Intramurals?
Good morning to everyone, and thank you for that wonderful question. For me, I will not convince the audience and you judges for me being the Miss Intramurals for this school year. Why, you would say? Because for me, there are others who most need this crowd. I do not see myself being the Miss Intramurals for this school year because there are other contestants who are more demure, more sophisticated, and more optimistic. Thank you, and God bless to you all.
Thank you for that answer. I'm hindi confident din ang ating contestant. Sige. For Mr. Marangal, if you could introduce one new event to the Intramurals, what would it be and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. What event would I put in intramurals? Maybe badminton because it only not uses very much skill, but it is more easier to learn. And I think all the students here can play badminton really good without even knowing the rules. Because it doesn't need much skill. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Marangal. Thank you for your sincere answers. Please give them a loud round of applause.
O, kumalma yung nasa likod. Kalma. Jeremy,
Kalanan.
ito ang tanong mo. Kabado ba? Okay. What do you think is your edge over other contestants that makes you the first ever Miss Junior High School Miss Intramurals? Again, what do you think is your edge over other contestants that makes you the first ever Nemesio Ayabut Integrated School Junior High School Miss Intrams 2025?
Pwede po pa translate ng Tagalog?
Ano sa palagay mo? Okay, ano sa palagay mo ang yung may pagmamalaki mo sa sarili mo over other contestants na, di ba ito yung first ever contest ng junior high school over doon sa mga kalaban mo bilang Miss Intrams. Ano yung pinaka-advantage na meron ka?
Good morning everyone. Good morning dear judge. Thank you for that wonderful question. Ang may pagmamalaki ko po sa aking sarili ay ang aking confidence. Dahil naipapakita ko sa sarili ko na may confident ako at hindi ako nahihiya. And thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ito naman kay Mr. How would you promote mental and physical wellness while serving as Mr. Intramurals? Kunwari nanalo ka ng Mr. Intrans, paano mo maipopromote ang mental and physical wellness among your schoolmates?
Good morning everyone. Good morning dear judges. Pwede mo pa repeat po ng question?
Paano mo maipopromote ang mental and physical wellness, well-being? Paano mo ipopromote dun sa inyong mga kasamahan bilang Mr. Intrams ang pagkakaroon ng physical and mentally fit?
Can you translate po Tagalog?
Tagalog na yun. Ano gusto mo, Bisaya? Bicol gusto mo? Okay, paano mo maipopromote? Ano ba sa Tagalog ang promotion? Paano mo maipapalaganap o maipapaalam sa iyong mga klase ang pagkakaroon ng yung mental well-being mo and physical well-being mo nasa maayos? Paano?
Ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo ng maayos po.
Yung tamang pag-iisip, pagkakaroon ng tamang pag-iisip, pagkakaroon ng maayos na pangangatawan, your physical wellness. Paano mo ipapaabot sa kanila? Kunwari dito sa iyong mga nasa harapan, ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanila para maipaliwanag mo sa kanila kung paano?
Alright, are you ready for your question? Here's your question. What does sportsmanship mean to you? And how would you promote it as Miss Intramurals? I will repeat, what does sportsmanship mean to you? And how would you promote it as Miss Intramurals?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ang sportsmanship po ay para sa akin ay pagkakaisa,
Relax lang, relax.
pagkakaisa at maturity po. At pagtanggap ng pagkatalo.
Okay, thank you. For our male candidate, how do you handle pressure and competition during intramurals? I repeat, how do you handle pressure and competition during intramurals? Paano mo na-handle ang pressure at competition tuwing intramurals? Kapag naglalaro ka, di ba may pressure, nagkiki-compete ka, paano mo na-handle yung pressure? Yung kaba, yung ninig tuwing nakiki-compete ka?
Pagpapalakas ng loob at pagtanggap ng pagkatalo. Dahil ginawa mo naman ang iyong best. Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you.
Section Matyaga.
Good morning. For final question, for Miss, what is the essence of intramurals? Again, what is the essence of intramurals? Ano ang kahalagahan ng intramurals?
Para po makapag-enjoy yung mga bata or para po maranasan nila yung ganda ng paano po maganda yung pag sumasali ka po sa mga sports.
Okay. Thank you. For Mr. How would you promote mental and physical wellness while serving as Mr. Intramurals? Again, how would you promote mental and physical wellness while serving as Mr. Intramurals?
Maaari ko po siyang i-promote habang ako po ay Mr. Intram sa pakikisama po nito sa aking magiging pagpapakilala at pagpapakita ng mga halaga nito sa pagpapakita dito sa harap ninyo. Maaari din po natin to ipakita sa form po ng sports or ng ating pagiging sportsmanship sa mga laro at mga larangan habang ako ay Mr. Intrams. Salamat po.
Thank you for a sincere. For our second runner-up, we have Princess Manangaya Christiani. For second runner-up. And from section Marangal, we have Mark Jefferson P. Icasa for second runner-up. For our first runner-ups, we have Yuri A. Marcos from section Maganon. Ryan Arzamas from section Mabait. And finally, our champion for our artist event, UNL Birla And for our champions of our artist event, we have UNL Virna B. Estera from section Marangal and Mariana Calix Gambin from section Magalang. Advisor, Miss Daniela, Arbor Skindo, Anyoso, Balagtas, De La Peña, Harleya, Luciano, Marquez, Diomalos, Taher, Torres, Yumon. For our best in costume in our cheer dance, we have section Marangal.
Bulacan, Marangal.
Answer, Miss Priscilla.
Bulacan.
Do you think, or what is the opinion of each section on the winners of our cheer dance? May we have the opinion of section Marangal?
Good morning, my name is Martin Sabi Kansa, and my opinion on the performance of Marangal is I win. Ay, mga winners. Okay. So the winners on Marangal, congrats. And I hope we win next time if we're classmates again. And, ano ba? And I want to congratulate everyone that won, and no one lost today. Just I hope we all enjoyed our incomes, and ayun lang. Thank you.
Thank you for your sincere opinion on our winner is Miss and Mr. Marangal.
Walang music. Dun ganon.
And for our formal and long gown segment, we have Mr. and Miss Marangal. We have Miss Mabait and Mr. Mataga. And now, without further ado, let's start with the second runner-up of our Miss and Mr. Intramurals 2025. Please give a loud round of applause to Mr. Makajos and Miss Mataga for exceptional performance and achievement. Mr. Makajos and Miss Mataga.
Moving on the first runner-up, let's hear it for Mr. Machaga and Miss Mabait. And once again, Mr. Machaga and Miss Mabait.
the first place winner of Miss and Intramurals 2025 is Mr. and Miss Marangal! Your talent and perseverance have earned you the staff honor. Congratulations and well deserved! Our Miss and Mr. Intramurals 2025. For our second place, we have Section Masikap.
For our first place section, first runner-up, for our first placer, we have Section Makajos.
And for the champion of Miss and Mr. Intramurals 2025 goes to Section Marangal!
Okay. Forward mga anak.
So, natapos na ang ating Miss Intras! Congratulations! At ang ating District Princess ay napagod na sa kanyang mataas na takbo. Pero todo smile pa rin siya. Congratulations, ate! And congratulations, Clyde!